Christine is beautiful, kind, thoughtful, and we just seem to be each other's mate. She adores his parents, and their relationship has grown tremendously. And I think it's very nice that a couple love the in-laws, and that's important because that's what makes the new family, because this family today is joining together. Christine said, Joseph is so special. He is very handsome, good-hearted, treats her very well. She also said, he's like my best friend in the whole wide world. Do you take Christine to be your wife? Do you promise to be faithful to her in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love her and honor her all the days of your life?
I do.
Christine, do you take Joseph to be your husband in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love him and honor him all the days of your life?
I do.
Full in a dance floor made of grass. Your blue eyes make me wanna make this evening last. Put on an old song, put on that new dress. Tomorrow's coming, but it ain't here yet. We got stars outside.
Joe and Christine, you're an inspiration to myself, and I'm sure to everybody here, both as individuals and together as the epitome of the expression meant to be. I'm beyond honored to be a significant part of your lives, and I'm so excited to watch the next chapter of your lives unfold as husband and wife. I love you both so much, and I wish you a lifetime of laughter, love, excitement for all of your adventures ahead.
We can just forget the deadlines, leave them in the 9 to 5. Let's not waste a night like this. Let's hold on tight. We got.
You can tell that you guys have a special relationship, not only by the joy that I see in the both of you, but in the happiness that I see radiating with everyone around here. You have brought happiness through marriage and joy to everyone here. It is clear to me that this bond is truly meant to be. So may your bond with each other grow strong each day, and may it see nothing but joy and happiness.
Rising through the ceiling, singing, ooh, ooh.